Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and welcome back to my series, 30 Days of Yoga with This Curvi Yogi. And so today we are going to work on a transition from plank to Chaturanga, which is an advanced pose. So think about going back and doing a few more of the other videos before you get into this one, just to warm your body up and to get your core working. This takes a lot of core work and a lot of upper body strength. So you'll just need your mat and grab that and we will get started. So we'll start out on hands and knees in table position. Making sure the wrists are under the shoulders, knees are under the hips. Your knees can be about hip width apart. And so this first transition is going to be with modified plank and modified chaturanga. And so what chaturanga is, it's where your arms are bent at a 90-degree angle and you're holding your body up. So the modified version will be on the knees, and then we'll do the full version next. So we're going to start in the modified plank. So move the knees back, have the hips forward of the knees. From here you should feel the core start to engage. And then we're going to tuck the toes under, lift the hips up and back, coming into downward facing dog. Then we'll shift the weight forward, coming back into plank. And then back to downward facing dog. Then we'll lower down. Have the hips forward of the knees, coming back to modified plank. So from here, you're going to shift the weight forward, lower halfway, and then press up. Then tuck the toes under, downward facing dog. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, back. We'll do that one more time. So coming down to the knees, modified plank, shift the weight forward, hold, press up, and then we'll walk the hands back. Sit on the heels for just a second. Take an inhale and an exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. And this time we're going to go for full plank and full chaturanga. So we'll start in table. Then we'll tuck the toes under, lift the hips up and back. Shift forward to a plank. This time we're going to shift forward, lower, hold, then come all the way down. Tops of the feet are on the mat. With the shoulders up and back, lift up into a cobra. Exhale down. Tuck the toes under. We're going to press up to plank, and then back to downward facing dog. Lower the knees, bring the hands back. One breath here. Inhale, exhale. And we'll try that one more time. So let's come back into a table position. Tuck the toes under, lift the hips up and back. Shift the weight forward to a plank. I'm going to shift forward, lower, and then come all the way down. Let the shoulders up and back. Lift the chest. Exhale down. Tuck the toes under. Press back up to plank. And back to downward facing dog. Lower down. Sit back on the heels. And breathe. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the bell for notifications, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.